Hi everyone, I'm just wanting to give my review on the Logitech K380 multi-Bluetooth device keyboard. Obviously, I've had this keyboard for some time now, and I really like that looking at different keyboards in regards to specifically wireless ones. This one really kind of stood out to me. I would say first because of the price. I think the price was a lot better than what the other competition was offering. And just looking at the features it has, really what was a huge win for me was that I could literally connect up to three different devices on the keyboard. So I pretty much am using all those simultaneously. So like, for example, I use my MacBook maybe on the first channel, and then I'll have like my work computer, which is a Windows, on the second one, and then maybe my iPad is my third. And being able to connect the Bluetooth, I literally have to press the button and it will automatically connect to whichever device that I'm going to be using my keyboard for. I think that's amazing because that allows me to not have to worry about trying to figure out if I need to use the actual keys on like the laptop. I can use my wireless device, and pretty much it's, I would say, mobile, so you don't really have a cord, and that allows me to kind of have that mess-free experience that I'm looking for. Another thing that was nice about it is that the actual keyboards, the key buttons are rounded, and the way that you actually touch and tap the actual buttons itself really is smooth, it's soft, and you can barely even hear it. So it's almost like you're typing away and you're not distracting anybody. And I really think that's important, especially because if I'm taking it to the office, I want to be able to still kind of be somewhat not of a distraction and get my work done as what I need to do. I really liked it that the battery it's on itself is really good. I've only had to change the battery about maybe 2 times, but that's been over a long period of time. I usually kind of know when the keyboard is probably at its point where batteries need to be changed, but that really has not changed me. I've actually left the button on that powers the keyboard, and I thought that that would die the keyboard out a lot faster, but that really hasn't done anything either. And it's funny because I rather prefer this keyboard than an actual keyboard cord that was attached with my monitor. And being able to use this and take this with me on the go, it's lightweight. I think the colors are really great. I picked this dark gray because I wanted to kind of blend in with whatever I'm going to do. And the functions, I think what's nice is that even though Windows and Macs have different functions, I still can create and do the different commands as what I would use on each of those devices without any issues. And I really am happy with my purchase. I would even buy another one just to have backup, just in case if maybe I wanted to keep this one at my home office and then maybe want to have one at my job. I am definitely considering doing that. So if you're looking for a keyboard, good price, it's quiet, it's lightweight, it's easy to carry, it fits into your bag with no issues, and I haven't had any problems with it. I would definitely recommend this one.
Hello guys, this is my favorite keyboard for writing. I mean, obviously you have a keyboard, you want to write with it, but it's really good. What I like about it, the circular shape of the buttons, and also the buttons are a bit firm, so you don't do a lot of misclicks. So let's say this is my favorite keyboard I've ever used for writing. I like the sound of it. It feels amazing. It feels expensive, honestly. I got this for less than $30 and it looks neat. It's very portable. I use it usually for like writing on a report. I'm a student. But I would say, as you can see, it doesn't have the extra length for the numbers. I mean, it's pretty obvious. You can see that in the photos. So if you are, let's say, you know, your measure is, you do a lot of calculations and all of that stuff. This is not, maybe this is not, I mean, you can know that. But also for gaming, it's, I would say, not that bad. It's fair. But definitely if you are like doing pro gaming, this is not good because it's Bluetooth. You should not use Bluetooth for gaming. Also, I'm a computer science student, and I would say, like you can see here, it doesn't have the Windows button and all of that, so it would feel new to you if you are used to a Windows keyboard. So yeah, I don't use this necessarily for coding, but I use it for writing, and it's amazing. You know, I'm writing like, I like writing stories and all of that, writing my daily, I don't know, anything. So it's really perfect for that. Thanks. 5 stars, definitely.